This tile was sealed when it was installed. It's a concrete tile. The grout lines had gotten pretty filthy though, so I made the mistake of using I know it's not meant for this, but it's what I had on hand, and a sick toilet bowl cleaner to clean the grout lines. It did a great job. However, what it did, along with cleaning the grout lines, is it pulled up the seal, and so now part of it is sealed and part of it isn't. So now what I'm going to do to make sure everything ends up even again is remove the seal from everything. And I looked up, there's a couple different products. However, I'm going to use the same cleaner I used previously, just to make sure that everything is removed evenly using the same product. Then I'm going to come back once it's all dry and seal it again. It's not a big space, it's just a small bathroom. Right. Just progressing through the cleaning. Some of these darker spots are going to come off. Just wiping down the cleaner as I go to check on progress. But if you can tell here, this is darker, this is lighter. I haven't done that here. Previously I had the same lines along that grout line, and you can still see some of them down here. So I need to scrub a little more, but it's coming off. The previous seal, it's coming off, and I'll just reseal again once I'm ready. The seal is off. The old seal was off, I guess I should say. Gonna try to clean up these grout lines a little more before resealing. See if I can take some of this discoloration off the tile before resealing. But other than that, I'm happy. I'm happy I use the same product because then it's coming off in the same way. Seems like I've got a little more work to do here, but it's working. Now that everything's clean, I'm going to start sealing. Use one pad to apply it, wait a little bit, and then use the other pad to wipe off any excess. As per the instructions, it's going to be left on 3 to 5 minutes before the excess gets removed. Just applied it, waiting the 5 minutes before I can clean it off. Wipe off the excess. Now I've applied it from there all the way to the edge and behind the bowl. Just doing this in sections so that I can wipe off the excess without having any issues.